So what are we doing today? What are we doing today?
What's that, sweetie?
What are we doing today?
What are we doing today? Well, we're maple syrup.
Okay.
Well, the weather's been kind of off and on the last couple of weeks. As you can see, the melt is happening right now. But this actual, I did one boil off. We did one boil off last week, and we got, I think, about 6 pints of maple syrup out of it.
Yep. Can you show us what? Can you show us?
And it's in the fridge right now.
Can you show us?
Can I show you?
Yes. I videotaped this earlier, but I did not. I didn't press record, so I didn't have it on my phone. So this is what we have.
6.
Yeah. That's what we did a few days ago, and we're started back up today, right, my honey?
So right now,
Yeah.
I started just yesterday. Started it late and carried it on starting this morning. It's about 20 to 25 gallons of maple sap, and I've now got it down to, I believe, less than 4 gallons now. Just boiling it down. It's getting close because, as you can see, the less and less steam that comes off of it, the more frequent you see less steam, that means less water's coming off the maple syrup. So
Yep.
we're getting close.
Getting close. So how long do you have to stay out here and babysit the? How long do you have to babysit the maple syrup while you're doing it? Do you stay out here all day, or do you come out here?
Your lips low.
Oh. Do you? How long does it take you to boil down 25 gallons?
25 gallons usually in one day is probably the max from morning to evening time. Anything more than that, we're looking at more than a couple of days.
And what happens after that? Do you bring it in the house? Do you finish? They say something about finishing it off.
Well, we finish it off inside the house.
Okay.
We have a gas stove inside, so we finish boiling off the last bit down. Then we put it into our jars, and inside the refrigerator goes.
Awesome. So, do you plan on maple syruping the rest of the week?
Do I plan on this being done?
No. Do you plan on collecting maple syrup for the rest of the week? Doing this for the rest of the week?
Probably for about another week and a half, I'd imagine. Maybe 2 weeks. I'll keep on maple syruping until we filled up every jar that we have planned for that, which I think is about 48, 50 pints of maple
Oh, that's
syrup.
great. And the reason why we're doing this, oops, let's do it this way.
There you go.
The reason why we're doing this is because I took my husband off of all regular sugar, cane sugar, because we're going to watch his health, his diabetes, and his weight. So the only sugar he gets is maple syrup, and he gets it on everything. In his coffee, in his cereal, his oatmeal, and whatever else he wants sweet, he only gets that. He gets no other sugars. And we're trying to stick to a all whole diet. So that means no processed foods, no going out to eat. So yeah, and I think we're pretty happy about that, right?
On another note, we checked out the bees yesterday.
Oh yeah.
And the bees survived a couple of blizzards and a minus 31 for a couple of days, I believe we had in
Yeah.
December.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, the bees are kicking, and looking forward to harvesting some honey this coming September.
I can't wait. I love the bees. I really do. We have more bee. We have another bee hive. A bee. What do you call it? We have another group of bees coming this May 2nd. They're going to be here. We're going to pick
Should
them
be a
up.
good time because all the flowers will start to bloom.
Yeah, our
and they're-
magnolias will be up. So.
And the honeysuckles.
Honeysuckles, that's it.
They
Honeysuckles,
bloom early.
Honeysuckles are so nice. But that's it. That's what's going on in the homestead. More later. God is good.
All the time, my love.
All the time. Ciao. Okay, so more things that I've done today. Everything's starting to move. I am seeding. I have got my peppers. Let me turn you around. These are, let me unzip this real quick. Just sign here. Okay, ooh, nice and warm in there. These are my peppers. Our garden's gonna be twice as big. So, with that being said, there should be 80, I planted 80 peppers here. I'm not sure why some of them are not coming up and some are, but I like planting extra just in case I don't get any. These are my, what is that? These are, what did I say? These, more. These are more peppers just in case. So I need to make sure that I have enough peppers. So peppers, peppers, peppers. And that's today. And this is my tomatoes. I got 2 flats for tomatoes. These are the, I think the Amish paste, or what was that? The Amish paste, I think it is, or a tomato like that. It did really well last year, so I did 40. They're all going in the big greenhouse. And plus, we went over here and we did, excuse me, everything's melting. So, this on real quick. I can do this. We actually took all my things that I had my seeds for, and we pulled them out of the pods. We pulled them off of the flowers. We got dill, sugar pumpkins, cukes, pole beans, cilantro, marigolds, and what is it? Sunflowers? More marigolds, I think. Yeah, more marigolds. And I've got, oh, we had marked that. This is the small sunflowers. And these are my big sunflowers. Oh, right here, big sunflowers right there. Those are the giant ones. But that's what we got. We did that today, and I'll show you something else. This is what else I'm going to be planting. It'll be on 3 flats here. Tomatillas, broccoli. And I made soil for my I'm going to put these on the porch because I'm going to have my porch cilantro. They're going on the porch. Hopefully it works this year. I want to be able to just grab them off the porch. So, plus, if you can see these, there you go. Those right there. Those are the shrubs I have outside. I am water rooting them so that we can have privacy hedges in the front. So they're in there, and then these are the white flowers in the back. Oh, plus I'm experimenting with my potatoes. These are my potatoes, and believe it or not, the potatoes that are in here, 2 different kind of potatoes, and they're only this big. And I got that out of 1 tiny little potato. So that was my experiment. They're doing really well. These are trying to get green so we can plant them this season. And then, let me take you over here. I found out I had Galupki for dinner today. It was in my freezer. I forgot I had made an extra supply of them, and that's what's for dinner today. Most excellent. Yay! And so that's what's going on the homestead today. Everything's starting to buzz. Everything's moving. Everything's hitting us all at once. So we're going to try to keep up with ourselves. So yeah, it feels good to move. It feels good to do stuff. So stick around if you want to. Watch what we're doing. Other than that, God is good all the time. Ciao.
Everybody.
God is good.
All the time, my love.
All the time. We know that. Ciao.